Today, siya tatabi ng laruan. O, tingnan nyo, oh. She keeping her toys by herself. Ay, galing-galing naman ni baby. Ay, galing-galing naman ni baby. Ay, pati pulbo, tinatabi niya, oh. Galing-galing mo naman, baby. Ay, oh, you're so very good today. I like you so much. And I love you so much. Are you finished? Wow, finish na si baby. Very good na Chanya. Papa, Mama, love you. Keep sila? Wow! Very good naman, Nay. Chanya, very good, Nay. Chup, chup. Let's go. So, good evening, everyone. You say, good evening, everyone. Kumusta po? I let you to play this. I let you to play, Chanya. I will let you to play, and then after that you put it back. Okay? Go. Put it back. Put it back on the basket. Like this. One. Okay, go. Go, go, go. All, everything. You put it on the basket, everything, please. Yes. Yeah, yes. I make video for you. That is my content for today. Yes, very good naman, baby. Yes. More. You want to talk on? Okay. Bait talaga ni Chanya. She know how to do now. Be so responsible. Just put it slowly. Don't make it noise. Finish. Very good. Here, have a kiss for Lala. Do I understand what I say? Very good, baby. I like it. Hope you will grow like this, okay? This one, this is my medicine. Again. Di na niya tinapos kasi nakita niya nakatutok ang camera sa kanya. She like camera. She like it. Okay, that's good. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.